Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Lanu with Motaleb. Welcome to Flutter package series. Today I will discuss how to create a simple flash skin in our Flutter apps with a simple package. Let's go. First of all, need a Flutter project. Go to your Android Studio, new Flutter project, click here, and here's your Flutter SDK path. Here selected this Flutter, click next. Then you can name with Flutter project name, that's Flutter's unlimited package actually. And here you can change your organization name. My organization name LWM, that means Lanu with Motaleb. Go to your favorite browsers. Here I will Safari browser, search Flutter's native plus. You can search here and this package. Look here, Flutter native plus skin. Here's a versions and rate me as documentation. Here this package. You can click installation here. You can add this pack command or just directly add the dependency. I will add it with command. Go to your Android Studio and click here terminal and here paste and enter. Edit this package. Second, go to back our Flutter native skin. Rate me, click here. All documentation here. Second step, need a Flutter skin here and your project publish.yml files in this new file in your root directories and this project's folder name Flutter native skin. Copy the name, go to your Android Studio and here go to your project file, here's new and the file and paste here. Okay, and go to our Flash native click here our new directory and assets. Then need a logo and logo. Already ready for a logo in this project. Copy this logo and go to our Android project and paste here. That's logo png. Okay, first of all need our go to publish.yml file and need our logo and this here. Let's need our asset folder. Copy here path content routes and paste here. Okay, click update